Good afternoon, welcome to another video from Barclay Motor Company of Hopwood, South Birmingham. Beautiful, beautiful Jaguar XF 2.2 diesel, premium luxury auto. Start 2014, 64,000 miles. Fantastic service history, including having the cam belt replaced at 39,000 miles. So serviced at 8, 12, 16, 22, 27, 35, 39, 50, 55 and 60,000 miles. Italian racing red, black leather. Got some nice options. As you can see, chrome side power vents, glass sunroof. Now this car has heated and chilled electric memory seats, which are a portfolio option really. Beautiful, beautiful car. Got those 18-inch Lyra alloy wheels. Looks like new tyres. So low mileage, 64,000, 2014. Fantastic service history. Cam belt replaced. Italian racing red, black leather, rear park sensors. £7,695. Wheels clearly been refurbished like brand new. New tyre. Got the squares on the door handles, so got keyless entry, keyless start. Glass tilt slide sunroof. Chrome power vents on the wings. Another immaculate alloy wheel. Front park sensors, rear park sensors, daytime LED running lights, headlamp washers. Premium luxury. So inside we have black leather. Now it's perforated leather with the little holes in because it has got the heated and chilled seats. MERIDIAN HIFI electric seats. Multifunction steering wheel with paddle change, cruise control and an electric steering column. Satellite navigation, DAB radio, Bluetooth. Beautiful, beautiful car. So a premium luxury doesn't normally have a glass sunroof, doesn't normally have perforated leather, because it doesn't normally have heated and chilled seats, just normally has heated seats. Little chrome power vents on the wings, they're Jaguar as well, they were an optional extra. Rear park sensors, spotless in the boot. Now up underneath there is a couple of little yellow handles, and that means it has 60/40 split fold rear seats, aluminium space saver spare wheel, jack, tool kit wheel brace, alloy wheel locking key, all present and correct. Now this car is beautiful, the paintwork is immaculate. Special order, Italian racing red. Really suits an XF, I think. Another immaculate wheel, just been refurbed properly. Not tarted up, fully refurbed professionally. £7,695. Obviously I've just driven it about 4 or 5 miles. Drives absolutely spot on. Memories down there for the driver's seat, electric mirrors, electric windows, folding mirrors, heated mirrors, electric boot release down there, lovely leather steering wheel. Has actually just got 65,004 miles on the way here. What a nice thing, no wear, beautiful. 7,695. I'm sure this won't be around long. Lovely spec Jaguar, that in beautiful condition. Please visit www.bmc-cars.co.uk. That's our website to see our other XFs in stock. This video will be hosted on our YouTube channel, Barclay Motor Company 5243. If you head over there, you can watch this video over and over again, along with over 2,000 other car videos we've produced over the last couple of years. You can thumb through those, lots of Jaguar XFs to look at. If you would be so kind as to subscribe to our YouTube channel, then you would get a notification every time we have a fresh car come in. You would be one of the first people in the country to know we just had that car in. Thank you very much for your time today, and goodbye.